your own preserved cucumber at home. Before making it, we need the following ingredients. Prepare 1 cucumber, a whole garlic bulb, 2 packets of bay leaves, 1 cup of peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of salt and sugar, and a large bowl of vinegar.
So let's proceed to making it. First, boil the vinegar in a pan. While the vinegar is boiling, add the salt and sugar. Wait for it to boil. While waiting, slice the cucumber into thin slices and the garlic into small pieces. After cooling the vinegar, it can now be placed in a jar to make preserved food. First, put half of the cucumber into a large jar, followed by the garlic, peppercorns, and bay leaves. After that, pour in the boiled vinegar and cover the jar. It's help you to digest. And that's it. You now have preserved cucumber.